Hey guys, thank you for having me again in your precious time. Today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to cook menudo, another local dish from the Philippines, often seen on a special occasion. So let's go. First we're gonna fry the carrots and potatoes cut into cubes. Estimated time is about 3 minutes. Now, when you see a browning on the surface of the veggies, that's the sign, set it aside. Browning creates a flavorful brown crust through the Maillard reaction. This will add flavor and texture to the food. Next, fry the pork liver for about 2 minutes. Do not overcook it, for it may have a rubbery texture and will become tough and dry. Set aside, then on the same pan, fry the chopped hot dogs. Now, we all know that hot dogs are to be cooked only in a matter of seconds. Then, set aside, reduce the oil, and sauté some garlic, onions, and tomatoes. Add the pork, cut it into small cubes, seasoned with salt and pepper. Sauté this for about 3 minutes or until the browning in the meat shows. Pour some cooking rice wine if available. Rice wine in cooking is used to enhance flavor and aroma, tenderize meat, and remove gamey or fishy odors. As the alcohol evaporates during cooking, it leaves behind a unique fragrance and depth of flavor, while the wine's acidity helps break down meat tissues, making them more tender. It also helps other marinades and seasonings penetrate the food more effectively. Now, after the rice wine, add a spoonful of tomato paste for more reddish color, then add water, let boil. After 10 minutes of boiling, add some bay leaves. This will add subtle, herbaceous flavor and aroma. Then add a cup of tomato sauce and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Put some sugar. It will enhance the flavor and balance the sour and saltiness of the dish. Add the fried pork liver, then the hot dog slices followed by the bell peppers. Mix thoroughly to prevent burnt and sticking. Finally, add the carrots and potatoes. To intensify existing flavors, you can add MSG. It will provide a pure umami taste that can make dishes more palatable. Now, you can all enjoy the menudo along with steaming rice. Thank you all for watching if you made this far of my video. I hope you learned something useful today. Don't forget to like and share, follow, and subscribe for more easy recipes like this. See you in my next video, guys. See ya!